Hey everyone, welcome. So today we are going to learning generative AI like AI skills how to apply, how to use for our future career and present career. So nowadays most of the people are very interestingly they are understanding about AI, how the importance of AI in their career at present. Nowadays as you see and observe how the importance are showing and playing a key role in our real life and job market and industry of the business wherever you go and observe. So now why I am taking this video for you here, like understanding AI is very important. So learning like a keen concepts are not necessary, whereas how to use like a generative AI which are applying for ChatGPT, Gemini and Microsoft Copilot, such a tools. So understand it, how to use and apply the required skills. Yes, here is a video for hands-on sessions I have added specifically for you to understand how super easily we can get a content using ChatGPT. So ChatGPT when we are using, it's a very absolutely free to create a free account. So having an account with the free, like go to Google and hit a ChatGPT and create an account, which is absolutely having a Microsoft email ID or Google Gmail ID if you are having. Yes, absolutely you can create a free account and start exploring ChatGPT AI tool. Once you understand how to use, which is a very essential and what you need an information, irrespective of the field, irrespective of the what the career you are in. Maybe you are in a software industry, or you may be in a finance industry, or you may be in a medical industry like a pharma, and you may be a doctor, or you may be a lawyer, or you may be any other profession who are an experts. Maybe they need more information which is required to create a content, and which they need to identify to manipulate something. So these ChatGPT like AI tools are making simplifying the things and saving a lot of time. And as you know that like a customer care executives or customers representatives and supporters, they are pretty tensy in their minds nowadays. Why? These AI tools are doing such type of all the task very easily. So what I'm trying to sharing you this video is to exploring AI tools, and applying AI tools and technologies are very easy. See the hands-on sessions, I'll show you how to prepare a resume. So make given instructions as a prompt. So these instructions prepare a resume for a Java developer, prepare a resume for Python developer or software fresher. The job opportunity is a fresher. Whatever you want to ask a prompt, you just give it. Then you will get an information very quickly. So what you need to understand, how to write a prompt very easily. So write a prompt and get an information, and easy to not only the resume, what information you need, accordingly you may apply. And one more query, to write an articles. Most of the content creators, content generators in text or in images, whatever it in the multimedia sector peoples, the creative, these may be used to apply these AI tools. They will these AI tools will help their careers or professions are very super easily simplifying their careers. See, I may ask a prompt in a write an article in Python, you in 1,000 words, maybe 2,000 words, 5,000 words or characters. So ask it point wise you need or paragraphs you need, you specify in a prompt. In such way easily you just create and build your thoughts with AI. It will provide you such a great content. Maybe you may have a thoughts what is the big difference. Already I have an information which I am collecting using Google. Then why you used to apply this ChatGPT AI tools? See here, Google will provide you like links and website and references. You have to find out where the requirement is there. These AI tools will provide you the content which you need currently, the required information. So accordingly, easily using a ChatGPT like AI tools, you will get it much content as you require, and you will apply for your requirements and needs. As a profession, you just need to some modifications need to require. I won't tell you like it's more accurate. Yes, there might be. You are being in a profession and being an understanding what it is given, then it is super easy. Not only strict to following in an English language. If you need any other languages, then once the prompt is completed, then you add it with in this language like English, Telugu, Hindi, Tamil, Malayalam, or German, French, any language, you try it out. So what I would suggest to you to having a good experience using these AI tools, hands-on sessions are very important. So more practicals will give you more skills. I hope you enjoy this lecture. So try to apply real world skills, and like, share, subscribe for more interesting videos. Thank you.